Hello, I'm doing the mouse cage. It's a quick trial habitat. Sometimes these cages can be extremely hard because you've got to pull it all apart and stuff. Right now, I'm filling the top up of the cage because apparently it's less stinkier like that or something. But I reckon it's just a newspaper. Could be wrong. Okay, just emptying it out. This is normal kitty litter. It's really helpful. You can buy it in all sorts of bags like this. Cat litter. It's really good. I have the normal mice food. Sorry. Got toilet paper rolls. They smell decent. Put these around.
That's disgusting here, though.
Okay, like that. Thank you, Mum. You just did the wheel.
It smells like much better.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright.
Don't sterilise my hands.
Okay, well that part's done. I'll just put this on. Okay, see, it's going pretty well. Oh my gosh. Not easy with an iPad. Okay, that helps. Like a lot. Okay. I wonder if I get any views on this stuff. Okay. Maybe I'll just put it on. I don't know if you can see from there. Hopefully you do. If you don't, comment. Just tell me. Sorry if you see me in my school uniform. Just came back. Okay. That's done. Yep. Okay, now up here stinks. I don't know what they did with this newspaper, but it stinks. It's all wet too. I think they wee themselves at night. Oh, it's filthy. Oh, it stinks. Okay, we'll just empty this in there. Well, we're having 5 mice in here. Because up here this smells like poo, Mum.
Yeah, I'll have to wash it.
That's where they sleep.
It's
Disgusting. This is where they sleep.
I know. They sleep in
Okay,
their own crapolas.
Hmm. She's very funny. Okay, I just got to add the wheel on. I think it's added. Okay, yeah, so that's it so far. Just got to pop it in a bit. There we go. It's added in. Alright, now we're just waiting for the top part while we're working on the insides of it. Put food here. And Mum, while you're up there, can you fill this with water? Okay. This tube will go here. Okay, it's good so far. 4 minutes, wow.
The newspaper isn't working. Just put that.
If we get hamster fluff, it'll be much more easier.
It
They
will
won't.
still smell. They need just that kitty litter stuff. It absorbs smells.
Yes, but they need something to keep them warm.
Well, where am I going to get that stuff from? I haven't.
It's at the Thai pet barn. It's
I've
yellow.
looked.
It's yellow. It's in a big tub.
We'll
and you
see.
just-
We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm shaking
Don't mind
it
the
out.
water. Don't mind the water.
Oh, we're
Yeah,
gonna
can you
look.
fill this up with water, please? Mommy. Okay, we'll fill this up. Okay, little, like my mom said. Sometimes you gotta like fully wash these things out because they will stink, and since they will tend to sleep upstairs, as this area, they will stink it out badly. I just want to refrain from doing that. Thank you. I'll just open up the cage.
With my iPad.
Okay, it's in.
Gosh, Amber, you made a mess.
I know. I'm not so good with these cage cleaning. Okay, I think we're done. Do you think we're done, Mom? I think I'm done. Okay, we'll see ya. That's cleaning a critter child cage. Bye.